Hello, today I show you some very cool watch. Okay, this is you bought watch with very interesting case. Okay, it's work like that. Okay, take it out. Okay. Very good case. Italo Fontana. And the company give to this, I don't know what this, and the small piece for clean watch. Okay, so okay, this you bought Italo Fontana Swiss self-winding movement. It's a really man's watch. It's a stainless steel case, leather band, and size for this case 45 millimeters, and thickness about 15 millimeters. It's a model Classico, and you can see how this work. Okay, $5565 this model. This like I said, it's self-winding movement with crystal. It's a sapphire, and case back see throat. You can see everything. Yes, 45 millimeters. Usually all models made in Switzerland, but this is made in Italy. Okay, I like this watch, and I can try this right here. Oh, this way, here. A couple days ago I showed you another very close model, but it was not mechanical, not automatic watch. It was quartz, and looks very close, but price much cheaper. If retail price for this model around 2,850, but online store price like 1,600. I show you another model. It's a quartz, and price just around $500, almost 3 times cheaper. Okay, but quartz, but 3 times cheaper. Okay, I'm turn off light and we check how this watch looks in night. No. Okay. One side, this a number, stainless steel. Very pretty watch for just $1,600. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe for our channel, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.